Alright, I'm pretty pumped about this one. I just watched Make Noise's video on creating a feedback loop between the QPAS and the Mimeophon and modulating the input of the QPAS with the Wogglebug's smooth voltage output. And I'm using the woggle to modulate the left and right radiance of the QPAS. And by making small tweaks to the attenuator here, you can actually make different bird sounds. So it's pretty sweet. Oh, I just lost it. There it comes back. So, oh yeah, and I've been listening to Spectral, what is it, Spectral Emotion? By Rafael Toro. Oh, Spectral Evolution. An amazing album. Also heavily inspired by bird noises. The signal coming out of the QPAS is pretty hot, so I'm running that through maths. And as you can see, I have it turned down quite a bit. And I'm doing some other modulation too with some other filters, but like the Ickery. And I actually have this going through an envelope follower too, down here, to open and close the Ickery. But it doesn't really give that much of a different effect. But anyway, I thought this one was pretty sweet, how you can get some really interesting sounds just by dialing in this little attenuator here. Anyway, wanted to share with you guys. Hope you like it. Peace. Oh, no birds were used in the making of this video.